Advent na po. Adviento. Una sa lahat, ang sabi sa Advent ay paghihintay, no? A season of waiting. Ano ba hinihintay mo? Actually, hindi Pasko, Hindi naman Pasko kasi pag hinihintay mo, alam mo darating no? Hindi naman si tatay na galing sa abroad, maraming dala. Hindi naman kailangan niya ng ibig sabihin ng Advent Ang paghihintay po, hindi mo alam kailan darating. So palagi kang alert. Yun ang ating pong biblical text. Preparation, always alert. You might come at midnight. It might come early morning. Ano ba yung darating? Lahat po tayo. Danatnan po ng kamatayan. Hindi. Nang pagdating ng Panginoon, sabi niya, di ba, I'll come back to you. I'll take you with me so that where I am, you always may be. Ito lang po, gawin nating graphic po ang Advent. 4 po ang kandila ng Advent. There are 4 candles in the Advent wreath. Ang bilang ko po dyan, because 80 for those who are strong, kung nabubuhay po hanggang 80 po ang malalakas, then bawat kandila, 20 years. No? So ilang taon ka na? Ikaw ba'y 15 anyos? Meron ka ba 3 na kandila at siguro lampas kalahati ng isa? Kung ikaw ay 40 anyos, tapos na po ang 2. Pumasok ka na po sa nalalabi na pangatlo at papuntang pang-4. Ako po, 72 this year. Nasaan pong kandila ako? Ubos na po yung 3. Umabot na po ako sa pang-4. At sa pang-4, kalahati na po at lampas na ng kalahati. Kalahati po ng between 60 to 80 ay 70. I'm 72. Am I being brought closer to death by just waiting for 80 years? Or will I make the time given to me, allow God to come into my world, into my life, and let His kingdom come through me by my actions? It's an active waiting to the point that advent of my death, advent of Jesus taking me to Himself so that I may be with Him where He is, I may have the joy of the fullness of life. He would want me in the active waiting, give fullness of life, especially to those in the peripheries, yung nasa laylayan po, yung hikahos po sa buhay. Pwede ko pang gamitin 8 taon ko alang-alang sa mga nahihirapan. Ito po ang ginawa ko. Nakapag-desisyon na po ako doon 2 years ago when I turned 70. The last 10 years, maybe even 12, God willing, 15, 85, I'm offering it to the children below 10 years old, 12 years old. Bakit? Ilalaan ko po ang aking isip, ang aking kakayahan. Sana po makatulong ako sa pag-aayos ng kalikasan. Kasi itong walang kalaban-labang mga kabataan na to, tatanggapin pala ng disyerto, tinanggap ko hardin. If God gave me a garden, why should I leave it a desert to the children? So I'm dedicating, I'm putting my whole life for a reason to die. Dying already to myself by giving life to those who cannot yet fight for their right to life, for a better environment, and for a better world of justice and of peace. Active waiting po tayo. Advent na po.